What's up, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. Yeah, I'm here with the film screen protector from Caseology. Now, it's been more than 24 hours. It's been like 72 hours. And I want to give you a review of the actual screen protector. So far, the screen protector has adhered to the actual screen itself, and it is case friendly. But the thing I wanted to take note is the little bubbles that should have disappeared after 24 hours, and it hasn't. So I don't know if this is a user error where I did it on camera and caused the problems, but a second one did come. I'm going to go ahead and install it off camera and wait 24 hours before I make a final decision on this. But basically, this is what it looks like from my behind the camera installation. And so what I did as a follow-up to that Caseology Film Screen Protector. Now, like I said, the original one, it had quite a few spots across the main part of it, and it didn't dissipate in like a day. So I gave it 2 days and 3 days, and nothing really happened. The bubbles stayed there. So I was kind of wondering, was it user error or was that particular screen protector damaged? Because I did notice in the initial installation that, you know, it had a funny crease. So what I did was I installed the second one that came in the package, and I had the same bubbles, but as you can see, the bubbles had disappeared. It disappeared per the actual installation instruction. I had some initial bubbles across the front, and that disappeared. For the most part, just have like maybe a tiny speck, and that's probably a piece of lint, which was my fault. But for the most part, coming back later with the second install that wasn't done on camera, the results were 100 times better than the initial installation that I did on camera. So again, I would have to give this screen protector a thumbs up. Again, like I said, I would chalk the first installation up to number one, being on camera, and number two, possibly being a defective screen with a funny crease in it. Like I said, I just happened to notice that, but I thought maybe it was the packaging. That pretty much does it for the Caseology Film Screen Protector for the S10 Plus follow-up. I just want to let you guys know that it did do as it said it would do. Bubbles will dissipate. And again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And I also will leave the links to this. But other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.